Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, scrolling through endless options for online shopping, wondering if the deals are too good to be true? Well, today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular online marketplaces in Nigeria's Moka. Is it a trusted platform where you can safely shop without fear of scams or subpar products? Let's find out. Moka has gained significant popularity in recent years, offering a wide range of products from electronics to fashion and home goods. With its user-friendly interface and competitive prices, it's no wonder many Nigerians have turned to it for their online shopping needs. But amidst the convenience and affordability, a question lingers: can we truly trust Moka? Addressing common concerns. Product quality and authenticity. One of the biggest concerns when shopping online is the quality of the products. Are the items listed on Moka genuine and up to par? We'll delve into customer reviews and experiences to assess the authenticity and quality of products sold on the platform. Payment security. In the digital age, payment security is paramount. How does Moka ensure that your personal and financial information remain safe? We'll explore the payment methods offered and the security measures in place to protect your transactions. Delivery and shipping. Timely and reliable delivery is crucial for a positive online shopping experience. Does Moka deliver on its promises? We'll examine the shipping policies, delivery times, and customer feedback regarding the delivery process. Customer support. When issues arise, having reliable customer support is essential. How responsive and helpful is Moka's customer service team? We'll assess their effectiveness in addressing customer inquiries and complaints. Return and refund policies. What happens if you're not satisfied with your purchase? Does Moka have clear and fair return and refund policies? We'll analyze the terms and conditions governing returns and refunds. Case studies and testimonials. To provide a more comprehensive understanding of Moka's trustworthiness, we'll share real-life experiences from customers who have shopped on the platform. We'll hear from both satisfied customers who had positive experiences and those who faced challenges or disappointments. Expert opinions. To add credibility to our analysis, we'll consult with experts in the field of online shopping and e-commerce. They will offer their insights into Moka's practices, reputation, and overall trustworthiness. Is Moka a trustworthy online marketplace? Based on our investigation, which includes analyzing product quality, payment security, delivery reliability, customer support, and return policies, we'll provide a balanced assessment. We'll weigh the pros and cons and offer our overall verdict on whether Moka is a safe and reliable platform for your online shopping needs. If you've had personal experiences with Moka, we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions about shopping on the platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to shop smart and stay informed.